Have you ever wondered why some people's skin just seems to glow effortlessly? Is it magic, expensive treatments, or just the right cream? The truth is, your skin needs the right face cream to truly shine. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the best one? In today's video, I'm revealing the best of the best face creams for glowing skin, comparing their ingredients, benefits, and how they work for different skin types. Plus, I'll share a pro secret at the end to make any cream work 2x better. Stay tuned till the end because I'll be sharing a pro secret that can make any cream work 2x better. Ready? Let's dive in. Segment 1. What makes a face cream the best? Before we jump into the list, let's talk about what actually makes a face cream the best. To explore and purchase the recommended products, check out the links in the description below. Your glowing skin journey starts here. Hydration power. Keeps your skin soft and plump. Brightening agents. Fights dullness and dark spots. Anti-aging boost. Reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Natural goodness. Less chemicals, more glow. Comment below and tell me, what's your biggest skin concern? Wrinkles, dryness, or dullness? Let me know. I might suggest the perfect product just for you. Segment 2. Best face creams for glowing skin. Product recommendations plus how they work. Olay. Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream for anti-aging and hydration. Key ingredients: hyaluronic acid plus niacinamide. Why it's best: instantly plumps skin, fades fine lines, keeps skin firm and youthful. How to use: take a pea-sized amount and massage gently in upward motions every night. Use it for 7 days and you'll start seeing the magic. 2. Neutrogena Bright Boost Gel Cream for dull and uneven skin. Key ingredients: AHA plus PHA plus turmeric. Extract. Why it's best: gently exfoliates for a fresh glow, reduces dark spots, non-greasy, absorbs fast. How to use: apply every morning after cleansing. Don't forget sunscreen afterward for extra protection. If you've ever struggled with dull skin, drop a "oh" emoji in the comments. Let's glow together. Cetaphil Daily Hydrating Lotion for sensitive and dry skin. Key ingredients: hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E. Why it's best: lightweight, non-irritating formula, long-lasting hydration. Safe for all skin types, even sensitive. How to use: perfect for both morning and night. Dab gently, don't rub harshly. Let it sink in for best results. Who here has sensitive skin? Let me know in the comments. This cream might be your holy grail. Mamaearth Vitamin C Cream for bright and spotless skin. Key ingredients: vitamin C plus turmeric. Why it's best: fights pigmentation and dark spots, gives an instant natural glow, boosts collagen for youthful skin. How to use: apply a thin layer at night and pair it with a vitamin C serum for double the glow. Ever tried vitamin C creams before? Type yes or no in the comments. 5. L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Bright Reveal for radiant and even-toned skin. Key ingredients: glycolic acid plus retinol. Why it's best: exfoliates dull skin for instant brightness, reduces fine lines and dark spots, gives a radiant, even-toned glow. How to use: use it at night, apply sunscreen in the morning, and say goodbye to uneven skin tone. Who here loves anti-aging creams? Drop a emoji below. Pro secret: how to make any face cream work 2x better. Here's my ultimate pro tip to boost any face cream's effect instantly. Always apply your cream on slightly damp skin. This locks in hydration, allowing the ingredients to work deep into your skin. Use a jade roller or fingertips for a 1-minute massage. This improves blood circulation and makes your skin absorb the cream faster and better. Try this tonight and tell me in the comments if you notice a difference. Final thoughts. Which one is your favorite? So these are the best of the best face creams that actually work. If you're looking for anti-aging power, try Olay Regenerist, Brightening and Glow. Go for Neutrogena or Mamaearth Hydration for dry skin. Cetaphil is your savior. Which one do you think is perfect for your skin? Comment below, I'd love to know. Like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing beauty secrets. Until next time, stay glowing. Bye-bye.